The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Coles County, southern Edgar County, northeastern Jasper County, western Clark County, eastern Cumberland County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:50 p.m., severe
That looks like a short severe thunderstorm warning.
from near Paris to near Greenup, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazard
It looks like this storm is moving slightly, maybe,
quarter-size hail.
might be
This is
fast.
a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Right off of Champaign area.
Sighting and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Westfield, Casey, and Paris around 1:55 p.m. Vermilion and Martinsville around 2:05 p.m. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 116 and 148.
Round Lake, Crystal Lake, Long Lake, Third Lake, Barrington Hills, and Lake Catherine.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.